Welcome to SK Creatives YouTube channel, guys. Today in this video we will show you how the IR blaster sensor. You can find the most of the mobile in the recently most of the MI phones are having the IR blaster sensor. We can use it for the multiple like AC, TV, set-top box, home theater, whatever. The remotely you can use your phone as a remote, and you can control any of the device from your smartphones. So I will show you how to configure this and how it will work. Hi friends, this is the Redmi Note 4. You can find it. So we'll do it like this, and you can find the tools folder, and you can find here MI remote. Click here. So I already AC remote in the office, so I will just delete. So first time whenever you are adding the remote to any of this, just click on plus here, plus mark my remote, and you need to have a internet connection for the while connecting first time. So now I will connect to my LG TV. So click on TV and find the LG company, and it will asking it is asking, is TV on? Is TV on? Yes, is it on? So click on and mute. So click here. Is it working? No. Again click here. So yes, it's working. So you will get the beep sound paired. And now you can increase the volume. See in the right side you can find 12, 13, 10, 6, 4, 3, 2 zeros, and 10, 14, 15, 16, 22. So you can find this and see. I will turn off the TV. So it's got turned off. So again I will turn on. So it's turned on. And you can change the channels. Everything is working. So in this video I will show you how to use the MI remote application to the AC. So the first step is you need to turn on the main switch. So you can see here that UPS sound, UPS light is turned on. So and again the AC is off now. So you have to turn on first from this AC remote. So turn on. After that, take the mobile and turn on the mobile internet. After that, open the MI remote. So it's already added, so I will just delete and I will configure from initial. So click here, add remote, or above you can see the plus mark. There also you can click MI remote. So I'll click here and click on AC here, and you can see that the AC company here allowed. So that company AC remote you need to search in the mobile. So go here, you can see allowed. Click here, and it's saying point out the remote at AC and press the button. Release the when AC responds. So it's AC turned on. So I will click here. So it's not responded. Again I will try. So again it's not responded. So I will go near. So again not responded. So it's responded. You can hear that beep sound. So I will click yes, it's responded. So it's asking to turn off. So I will off. So it's turned off. Yes, it's working. Yes, the device turned off. Yes. So click on paired. So it will come like this. So now turn on. So you can see that it's turned on. Turn off, turned on, turned on. Okay. So you can increase the same, see here, 30, 29, 28, 27, and you can use almost all the features, guys. And modes, you can turn on the mode, auto mode, fan, cooling, everything. And you can use the direction also. It will work the speed. Almost all the buttons will work here. If you have any doubts, comment below. If you like the video, hit the like button, guys. Subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. So in this video I will show you how to connect the home theater. So click on plus mark and click on here AV receiver. Here find the company of the home theater. So mine is LG. So click on LG and it's saying point the remote at AV receiver and press the button release when AV receiver responds. So when it's respond, you need to release. So click here. So is it respond? No. Yes, it's respond. You can see it's turned off. Yes, click here. Now it will get add. Click pair, and now I will turn on. So here you can see it's turned on, guys. Hello, it's turned on home theater. So you can increase the volume and you can decrease, everything is there. So here you can see that plus minus everything. So we can find here 27, 28, 29 maximum. So minus, so I will reduce now. So it's reducing. So you can find guys here. So it's reducing, see 13, 12, 11. So it will operate, guys. It will turn off, it will turn on, and you can increase and decrease the volume. So just go back, it will get add. So previously I showed how to add the LG, and now I'm showing you home theater. So now I will show you how to add the remote for the setup box. So go to the tools in the MI phones and MI remotes, click on plus button and click on the setup box. Here you can see, and find the company of your setup box. So mine is a city box, so I will click here. Yes, you can see here, no, setup box digitally. Yeah, cities digital mine is. So point out the remote at the setup box and press the button release when the setup box responds. So this is the my setup box. So it's responded, guys. You can find the TV got turned off. So again I will turn on. So click on yes, paid. Okay, now I will turn on. You can see. So we can find that light, it's gone and it came, and you can find here now the TV channel will come. Yes, it came. You can add from this remote AC, fan, home theater, setup box and all. So I will show you how to change the remote in the MI. So channel, I will change the channel. You can find here I will show you. So it's getting changed through mobile. And even you can type in the numerical mode. So it's getting typed. Five. So see, guys, you can find here 525.
please subscribe the channel if you're watching a first time, and those who have subscribed, please click on the bell icon for the updated video notification. And if you like the video, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.